Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can create a list for your saved services on Fiverr. Maybe you want to create a list of services of saved lists on your Fiverr so that if you want to hire someone, it will be easy for you to choose. So today, I am going to show you on how you can create a list of saved lists. Check the video description and we'll try to leave the written instructions. First you need to do is to open your Fiverr application. Once you open the Fiverr application, you can either search your services or scroll down to look for the service that you want. For example, this virtual assistant. You want to save this and you want also to create a new list. Simply tap on this new list and then in here create a new list. Name your list. For example, I'll name this as virtual assistant. After that, simply tap on this create button. And as you can see, it created already a list. And also, after that, tap on this done button. There you go. If you wanted to know how to create a new list for your save list on Fiverr, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to create a new list on Fiverr, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.